In this video, we'll go over filters in Power BI. Filters allow you to control what returns into the report. And to access filters, you simply go to your filters section in the report. So a couple of things to note is filters can be shown and hidden from your users by toggling this tag up here. So your end users will not be able to see your filters if you toggle it so that they can't see it. Also, filters can be applied to individual items on your report. So if you click on one of your reports, it will show you filters on this visual, and that just includes all of your items in that visual. So everything we're going to go over here can be applied individually to each item. So we'll go back and we'll start going through some filters. So first filter we're going to go over is text, and we'll bring over product category. So in filtering, we have two options. The first option is basic filtering, and the next option is advanced filtering. What basic filtering will do is give you an option to select each item in that result set individually. And with advanced filtering, you have some different options according to the data type. So here we could just do one basic filter. We'll just do bikes, and you'll see that it'll make everything bikes for the report. So we'll just hit select all, and we'll go and we'll do some advanced filtering with text. So with text, when you apply the advanced filtering, it gives you some options as far as filtering down the text. And you have some logical operators and or. So for example, we could do contains, and we'll just use the item bike. And then we'll hit apply filter. And you'll see it has bikes here. And then or, and we'll just use contains. Or we'll just start with C for something different. And apply a filter. And you'll see we'll get clothing and bikes. So that was the filter for text. Now let's go over a number. So for this we'll use, we're going to use fiscal year. And again, we have advanced filtering. Let's go to basic filtering first. And we can pick year by year to filter down. So basic filtering for numbers. And for advanced filtering in numbers, we have comparison operators, less than, greater than, equal to, or exact. And then is not a certain number, blank or not blank, or null or not null. So those are our options here. And let's just choose one. So we'll say it's less than 2014 and apply. And let's put greater than or equal to 2012. Okay. So that was for numbers. Next, we're going to add on dates. And for dates, again, we have the basic filtering is pulling back every single date for those years. And this is fiscal year, that's why it's 2011. And then we have advanced filtering. So we have a few options to filter date. It's not a date, after, on or after a date, before a date, on or before a certain date. The date is blank or the date is not blank. And so we could choose individual dates. And then another option in date, we have relative date. So we could pick if it's in the last or in this week or in the next week, how we have it here, or days or years. So let's use years. And let's choose in the last, what would that be? 8 years. And apply a filter. And that takes off 1 year of 2012. As it's now 2020. So that is filters. Again, you have 3 different types of filters for numbers, text, and dates. And you can apply them individually to each item on your report. And you can apply them to the overall report. And also you can apply them to all pages of your report if you have more tabs. And you can apply hidden or unhidden for your users and users. And that was it for filters.